um, commitment of traders report here real quick. This is one Scotiabank, I guess. It's from Canada. You know, I think that's how it's done. Whatever. I'm from Minnesota, don't you know? Yes, okay. I'm the tundra. We moved to Arizona. King Tut. Okay, so this is commitment of traders. It comes out Friday, I think about 5 p.m. Couple hours. Bless them that they get it done. Last thing they do of the day. I should email them, and everyone should email them and thank them for doing their job. But I get it from Canada. They do write pretty neutral. I mean, you don't see a bias slant. I mean, you know, it's technical is that way. It's all you're doing is just saying what's on there. You can lean bias wise or whatever. But I'm going to point out a couple of things here real quick. All right, so like I said, it comes out. There's a bunch of pages here, and it's a freebie, and there's other reports on their website too. But they put it together. It looks nice. I enjoy the read, and I'm in America, so it's Canada, and it says it's a FX sentiment report, commitment of traders, basically the poker hands of the players. But I like it. You know, it's one of the few things that the government hands out. You know, like I said, you're finding out the poker players, the commercials, the hedge funds, the large traders, you have your hedgers and the small guys. I mean, they're breaking it down. They're needing options in there too. So, but there's a few things that caught my attention here. Okay, it lists over here sentiment decreasing. I usually early on I go with take gold for example. I go with the large traders, especially if they're flat, which gold was in the makeup. There wasn't anybody overtly long or short. So, and at the tail end I go with commercials because those are the people in the know. Okay, so getting down here and going through this and. You can take a look too. What was that one? British pound? Okay. Come back. Aussie dollar. Okay. Here's one for you. Okay. All right. So the gray is the net position. Obviously here they've gone long. The Aussie and prices are still waning. So underneath people are buying. So that's the divergence I'm looking for. So as you know, I'm looking for the Aussie dollar to go up into this area here. Let's see here. What was it? Here's natural gas. This is the one that caught my attention first. Here's gold. You can see as they had to bid up. They had to get into it to bid it up. Okay, but here you have. So from about June on, the shorts have been lightening their load, and they're beginning to aim towards positive here. Okay, there's still minus thousands of contracts here, but you know what I'm saying. It's not positive. It's still blah blah blah. Okay, but what you have going on here is that they're lightening the load as the prices are coming down. So you're having people buy in underneath. Okay. Like I said over here with gold was flat. Okay, so in this instance, you have commercials who are very long. I believe the producers are net short in natural gas. If I remember correctly, it could be oil. We'll get to it in the next video. All right, so the natural gas. Okay, you have underlying buying on weakness, so that caught my attention too. And here's another one too, right underneath it here, is the S&P. Okay, we have rollover coming over, and where are we at? March, couple of weeks here. Remember, Monday's the 29th of February. So a couple, 2-3 weeks here, we're beginning to get rolling over. All right. It looks like they're going to roll out of this is the minis, so they're going to roll out of this, and probably what I'm hoping for is that some sort of pullback in that second week, right at that rollover before quarterly expiration, where then we can get net long and then go forward. But I just wanted to point out the divergence here that I saw, and I think there was one more up here. Mexican peso looks like it's going to change. But that's, I'll give you the link to with the video. 10-4?